Facebook fan page. The cockpit. As you mentioned, Brian Lawrence has been for the last 22 years announcing for Sean D. Tucker. Go now. I'm going to tell you that. We're getting our pictures taken. Boy, if you're sitting next to somebody you don't want to be...
A lot of issues, and you help the local-based charities as well. Verizon is the official wireless provider of the Cleveland National Air Show. From surfing the web to watching movies, from getting social with friends to sharing pics or playing games, Verizon gives you the power to do it all in the largest high-speed wireless network in America. And that's how Verizon helps you connect to the things that matter most. And I shared a little earlier today that about 3 weeks ago, I had a major theft from a hotel room in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I lost a whole bunch of stuff, including my cell phone. And the first place I went, once the police had made their report, was to jump in a car and find a Verizon store and get a new iPhone. That was important to me. I had to get back in communication, and the folks at Verizon had me in and out in an hour with a new phone for me and a new phone for my wife, and it was just very, very great that they did it. As I travel around the country from one coast to the other and from the north to the south, Verizon Wireless gives me great coverage each and every place that I go, and I'm really grateful for the folks at Verizon Wireless for being so responsive and having such jokes. At least it's clean humor. That's right. Right, Irma? It is indeed. All right. But speaking of clean humor, how about the Velvet Dog? That's a fun party place. If you haven't been there, check it out. It's absolutely cool. The Velvet Dog is Cleveland's premier nightclub. They've got a rooftop patio. I love being outdoors from an elevated position, having cocktails, maybe a Labatt's Blue. They're proud to be a partner with our air show. You can stop by the Velvet Dog Wednesday through Sunday to check out Cleveland's skyline on the city's best rooftop patio. The Velvet Dog is the official host of tonight's party. The official host plays